attention to all citizens along the coast of the following states: California, Oregon, and Washington. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. At approximately 5:23 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, unexplained phenomena was detected 100 miles out in the Pacific Ocean. After close observation, at 5:55 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, the cause of this phenomena was reported to be an object in the ocean. This object seemed to resemble a kind of large creature. This creature has been monitored closely by the Coast Guard, and was last seen tracking towards the California coast, with it last being spotted 43 miles off the coast of San Francisco. Due to the threatening and uncertain nature of this event, and with direction from the President, the Navy was ordered to intercept the threat. At this time, the President has ordered the Navy to position the 7th Fleet in the waters off the coast of San Francisco, and the fleet is awaiting contact. At this time, until the all-clear has been given, the Civil Defense Agency has instructed all citizens in the greater San Francisco area to immediately evacuate, or to seek shelter wherever possible. Remain calm and safe, and continue to maintain monitoring media outlets for more information as this situation develops. Repeat, this is not a test.
We interrupt your programming. This is a life-threatening emergency. Important instructions will follow. Please stand by for an interruption from the emergency alert system.
This is not a test.
Attention to all residents within the San Francisco area. This is a message from the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency and the United States government. This is not a test. This is a follow-up to the message broadcast under an hour ago. The situation in the Pacific Ocean has taken a dark turn. The 7th Fleet has made contact with a large creature off the coast of San Francisco. Upon contact, the creature immediately became hostile. After an hour of struggle, the creature has unfortunately capsized the USS John S. McCain and USS Ronald Reagan. No lifeboats were reported to have escaped the vessels, as the creature destroyed them in merely seconds. This has rendered the fleet ineffective, and the Navy is now in retreat. From the time of the previous alert, the creature was reported to be moving at a top speed of 60 miles per hour. This creature stands at roughly 130 feet tall, has black scaly skin, yellow eyes, white spinal plates on its back, and appeared to resemble a bipedal reptilian. This creature is headed for the city of San Francisco as this message is being sent out. Until the all-clear has been given, the Civil Defense Agency has instructed all citizens in the greater San Francisco area to immediately evacuate or seek shelter wherever possible. The Coast Guard will aid the California National Guard in the evacuation of the greater San Francisco area. Please follow the instructions of any National Guardsmen you may come across, as it may be vital for your survival. Please be aware that abandoned homes can and will be seized or destroyed by the United States government to gain an advantage in an attack. Do not attempt to undermine any operations carried out by the government. You will be considered an enemy of the state, and you will be swiftly executed for your crimes. Please remain calm and safe, and continue monitoring media outlets for more information as the situation escalates. Repeat, this is not a test.